Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.4, problem number 10. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problems using trigonometric identities. Click this I button to learn introduction to trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 11.4, question number 10. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then show that cos theta equal k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Let us see the solution. Here given cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. So we need to prove cos theta equal k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This type of problems are very important for 4 marks. So this problem I am going to explain in 2 methods. So method number 1. So solution I am taking given that cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k is given. So we know the identity. We know that what we know, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 we know. So here it is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square, what is the identity? A plus b into a minus b. Means this one a square minus b square type is there. We need to write a plus b into a minus b type we can write. So now cosec theta plus cot theta, this is a plus b into a minus b means cosec theta minus cot theta equal to RHS1 k as it is. So here cosec theta plus cot theta. So cosec theta plus cot theta value we can take k. K of cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 1. This k you can transpose to right. So sorry, here we are taking minus. So cosec theta minus cot theta equal into becomes divide, means here it is 1 by k we are getting. This is equation number 2 you can take, this is equation number 1 you can take. So here equation number 1 cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, equation number 2 cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. If we are adding equation number 1 and 2, cot theta plus cot theta minus cot theta we are cancelling. So add equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1 is cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Equation number 2 is cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Now we are adding, means directly we can cancel. So subtracting means we need to change the signs, but here we are adding. So cot theta plus cot theta and minus cot theta get cancelled. So cosec theta plus cosec theta, 2 cosec theta equal k plus 1 by k we are getting. So here it is integer type, this is the fraction type. So fraction means we need to take the LCM. So 2 cosec theta equal k is the LCM, k into k. So here denominator nothing means k ones are k, means k into k we are getting plus 1 k ones are k means 1 into 1 we are getting. So that equal 2 cosec theta equal k into k square plus 1 into 1. So k square plus 1 by k. This 2 you can transpose to write cosec theta equal k square plus 1 by 2k we are getting. So what is cosec trigonometric ratio of cosec. Hypotenuse by opposite side. So here I am constructing one right angle triangle. I am constructing. Here I am taking theta. At a point B I am taking right angle. So this is A, this is C. So theta, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is k square plus 1. Opposite is 2k. We need to find adjacent side. We need to find. So here in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degrees and angle BCA equal to theta. This is, you can take let angle BCA equal to theta. Now cosec theta, cosec means hypotenuse by opposite to theta, means k square plus 1 by 2k. So opposite and adjacent. This is the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means we need to use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. So what is hypotenuse? This is hypotenuse, means AC is hypotenuse. AC square equal, one side is AB square plus one more side is BC square. So AC, what is AC here? K square plus 1 whole square is as it is equal AB value is 2k whole square plus BC square. This is adjacent side we need to find. So it is of the form A plus B whole square. Here A means k square, B means 1. Now I am writing here k square whole square, A square, this is B square means 1 square plus 2A means 2k, 2 into k square, B means 1 equal 2k whole square. 2k whole square means 2k into 2k. 2 2s are 4, k into k square means we are getting 4k square we are getting plus BC square. So k square, this is I am writing as it is only, k square whole square plus 1 minus 2 into k square. So this is plus k square. This 4k square we can transpose. This is right side one, we are transposing to left side, we are getting minus 4k square equal BC square. So here k square whole square plus 1, this is plus 2k square, this is minus 2k square, plus 2k square minus 2k square, plus 2k square minus 4k square. So 1 plus 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus means we need to do subtraction. So minus 4k square to plus 2k square we are subtracting means we can get minus 2k square equal BC square we are getting. So now here once you can observe here, so here it is of the form, this is A square, this is B square we are getting 2AB minus 2AB. So already we know the formula, A square plus B square minus 2AB equal A minus B whole square is the formula. So now this one we can write A square means K square minus B value is 1 whole square equal BC square. This square you can transpose to right, square becomes root, means under root of K square minus 1 whole square equal to BC. Square root get cancelled. BC equal K square minus 1. So here we got it, BC value we got. BC means K square minus 1 we got. Now what we need to find? Cos theta value we need to find. So LHS cos theta equal what is cos theta? Cos theta means adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? BC is adjacent, hypotenuse is AC. Therefore cos theta equal K square minus 1 by K square plus 1. AC value is K square plus 1. So cos theta equal k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is proof. Hence proved. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k is given. So we proved here cos theta equal k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 we proved. This is method number 1. So now we can see method number 2. How to solve method number 2? What is the procedure? Let us see method number 2. So given that, so what is given here? Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k is given. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k is given. So cos theta equal to, we need to prove cos theta equal k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So last method means first method in we took cos theta means LHS we took, RHS we proved. Now I am taking RHS, I am proving LHS. So RHS k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So what is k here? K value is cosec theta plus cot theta, square is there, square minus 1 by k square. K square means cosec theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. So it is of the form a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula already we know, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is equal a square. A square means cosec square theta plus b square means cot square theta plus 2a. A means cosec theta into cot theta. This minus 1 as it is whole by. So here also I am expanding a plus b whole square only. So cosec square theta plus a square value, this is b square means cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta plus 1 as it is. So already we know that. What we know? That formula we know. What that formula? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 we know. So this 1 I am transposing to left, this cot square I am transposing to right. So what we can get? Cosec square theta minus 1 equal cot square theta we are getting. So here cosec square theta and minus 1 we can write, cot square theta we can write. Here cosec square theta, this plus cot square theta, this just next step in, this is the first, you can take this, in the numerator we are changing. Here denominator also we can change, cosec square theta, this is the formula only I am writing, minus cot square theta equal to 1. This cot square theta minus cot square theta we are transposing means we can get plus value we are getting. So 1 plus cot square theta. So this both we are using now. So for this one and minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1 value we got it here. Cot square theta. Plus here what is remained, that one I am writing. So again cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta whole by here cot square theta, this one and plus 1. Cot square theta plus 1. 1 plus cot square theta value we are taking cosec square theta. This cosec square theta as it is, instead of this 2 I am taking cosec square theta. So cosec square theta plus here cot square theta plus 1 value I am taking cosec square theta plus remaining as it is 2 cosec theta into cot theta. That equal cot square theta plus cot square theta, that value we are getting 2 cot square theta. 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta whole by cosec square theta plus cosec square theta, that value we are getting 2 cosec square theta. 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta into cot theta. So here once you have to observe here, 2 cot theta we can take the common in numerator. 2 cot theta I took the common. So 2 cot theta I took the common means here remained cot theta plus 2 and cot theta I took the common means we can get here cosec theta we are getting. Whole by here which one we need to take the common? Here 2 cosec square theta plus 2 cosec theta, cot theta is there means we can take 2 into cosec theta we can take the common. So 2 into cosec theta we took the common means here remained cosec theta plus cosec theta and 2 I took the common means here remained cot theta is remained. So cot theta plus cosec theta, cot theta plus cosec theta get cancelled. 2 and 2 also get cancelled. So what is remained here? Cot theta by cosec theta is remained. So cot, what is cot? Cos theta by sin theta. So cot theta value I am taking cos theta by sin theta whole by cosec. Cosec means 1 by sin theta. So this reciprocal you can take this denominator one, cos theta by sin theta into sin theta by 1 we are getting. Sin theta get cancelled. So what is remained? Just cos theta only remained. So cos theta means this is LHS or not? So LHS. So here we got it, LHS equal RHS we got. So here we took RHS we proved LHS. This is very important problem for 4 marks. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. Next video we will see a new chapter, that is applications of trigonometry. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.